Hi, and welcome to this introductory session to MTU's JSTOR database. JSTOR describes itself as a digital library for the intellectually curious, and it emerged from a pioneering project between librarians and the not-for-profit American Mellon Foundation. This foundation is renowned for its national and international funding and research in the humanities, social science, and cultural research areas. JSTOR has a strong Irish coverage with over 49 Irish journals, unlike our other databases, which are generally more UK and US centric. And within JSTOR, there are just over 12 million articles, books, images, and original artifacts, all in digital format from the realms of music, art, history, literature, archaeology, mathematics, and biology. By original artifacts, we mean original letters, documents, magazines, photographs, postcards, and such that allow both fresh investigation and renewed revisionist research. All have been scanned at high resolution to enable detailed digital inspection. Of note also, there are over 36,000 research reports within from respected policy and private research institutes from around the world. So let's go and explore. On the top right-hand side, if you follow my cursor, is a register login button. We advise everybody to register for a personal account. This activates a lot of additional features and tools and allows you to personalize your work and previous search history and saves these searches for you. Having signed in and created my personal account, you can now search this database through the central search box in 3 different ways, searching all content, images, or an advanced search. We remind you of our 3 Boolean operators, and, or not in capital letters, which help to link a phrase or words together and helps refine and define your search. I have a pre-selected search here, and you will see my keyword society, my Boolean operator and my phrase linking 2 words in inverted commas. We use the spyglass to search. All results are returned in this center pane according to relevance. You can also sort from newest to oldest. On the left-hand side, you can refine these results. You will notice that everything is content I can access. If you click the other, you may get articles that are abstract only, and if relevant, you may be obliged to apply for them for an interlibrary loan. However, with content I can access, you have full text to all articles. Here it displays where it pulls from, the formatting, you can specify from what years, and you can define your subject search limiting to certain subjects. Over on the right hand, on each article as their full text, you can download it, you can save it, or cite it. If downloading, we click on the download button. Your article appears. You can scroll on the right hand side, or you can enable just over here thumbnails and click into whichever page you may so wish. Shows how many pages in the article. You can augment the font size or alter the page fit. Additionally, you can download it here to your desktop, print, and annotate as necessary. We can now perform an image search only using a search string of Ireland and society. You can see it returns a number of images related to Ireland. You're clicking on those. You can explore in greater detail, augmenting the size and really zeroing in. All details required for referencing are here on the right. And again, you can download, share to media, or cite in full. An advanced search here allows you to enter greater detail, change your Boolean operators as mentioned before, and narrow in the classification. You can do this for text or for image searches. Having created this personal account, we can now see the 4 tools that it activates. The first is Workspace. I have created folders already. I can create more if I so wish. I have images, papers, and reference. They are listed in list view, but can also be seen in gallery view. Clicking on an image allows me the options to share it to social media or export it as a PDF or to a PowerPoint. I can also create subfolders for managing my work. Going back to tools, we can now activate our second tool, our text analyzer. This is excellent for fleshing out draft essays or chapters that you may be writing. You upload your doc. It's AI generated here, so it doesn't retain any of the info that you upload. And what it does, it analyzes your text and identified topics for further recommended reading. This is the screen it comes back with, the prioritized terms, the topics, and recommends additional full text content available to download to help you flesh out that draft essay. Moving on, Tool 3 is the Understanding series created by JSTOR. It's taken a number of personalities or subjects and collated and curated quite a number of articles on each subject. Martin Luther King, Oscar Wilde, Frederick Douglass, to quote a few. You may find this of benefit, particularly as the JSTOR collections are so rich in imagery and social sciences. We can return anytime by clicking on the JSTOR icon here. And lastly, our fourth and final tool is data for research. You can create a data set, a visual display of research that has been done on a subject by entering your previous keyword search. Again, you can limit by date to build that search. And what returns are the documents and the years when they were printed in a nice pie chart formation, easy to understand. It also gives you links to the documents, and on the left-hand legend, you can also limit by subject and filter. So heading back to our home page, and our final suggestion for you is to scroll right down to the bottom of the page, where you will find a lot of helpful LibGuides and media-rich resources and guides. Clicking on the guides brings you to a number of videos and help sheets. In particular, the Research Basics, a short course and quiz may also be of help. Should you require any further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact any of the library staff, whether in Cork campus or Kerry campus. And thank you for listening.